Hi there everyone, welcome back, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a new user account on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for settings. Alright, then open it up, and then from here on the left side you will probably see the accounts. So you need to go to that and then scroll it down to find out this other users option. So go with that and then simply go with the add account right beside the add other user. All right, just simply tap on add account. Now if you have another mail account, like if you want to add an account for your family, for your kids, or for your parents, then you can do it from here. So if they have any kind of Microsoft Mail, then you can provide this here. Otherwise you can go with this one. It will take some time. Then you can simply go with add a user without a Microsoft account. All right, now you need to rename it, like I'm going with Kazi Tutorials, like that. And then you can add a password, then re-enter the password. But for now I'm not going with the password, so I will make it blank. Then go with the next, and then as you can see we got an account like this. All right, so if you want to move to that account from our user, then for that reason you need to go with the start button and then simply go with this. As you can see, this is working PC. You need to tap on this, and then if we go with the three dots, we will get the Kazi tutorials we have just made. All right, if you go with that, then it will be like move on to the Kazi tutorial username. So that's how you can simply do that thing. All right, so hope this video helps. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.